Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change avatar in Identity V game. If you want to change your profile avatar in Identity V, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video. First of all, launch open the Identity V game on your device, and once you're in the home screen or the lobby page, go ahead and click on this icon at the top right, and this will open up your profile section. From here, you can go ahead and change your current avatar. Tap on the Switch Character Profile button at the bottom of the screen and choose a different character from the menu. After you do, click on Confirm Changes at the bottom right corner. You can also change the Survivor, Hunter, and the Detective profile for your character and click on Confirm Changes at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your profile avatar or switch your character profile in Identity V. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.